Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to jump a 2013 Nissan Altima, updated. Park the donor car near the Altima without touching, apply parking brakes, and keep both engines off. Identify the positive and negative terminals and clear any corrosion. Prepare jumper cables with red for positive and black for negative. Wear gloves and eye protection, and keep metal objects away from the battery to avoid. Begin by connecting the red clamp to the donor car's positive terminal, then to the Altima's positive terminal. Next, attach the black clamp to the donor negative terminal and attach the final black clamp to an unpainted metal ground on the Altima, such as a bolt on the engine block. This reduces spark risk near the battery. Double-check clamp tightness and cable routing so nothing dangles into moving parts. With cables secure, start the donor vehicle and idle for several minutes to transfer charge to the Altima. Attempt to start the Altima. If it doesn't crank, wait a minute and try again. Once the Altima runs smoothly, remove cables in reverse order: black from ground, black from donor, red from Altima, then red from donor. Avoid letting clamps touch each other and keep hands clear of moving engine parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.